to show you how to repair a microwave monitor switch, an interlock switch. But this is the primary switch. You have the primary, which is the interlock switch, and the secondary, which is the monitor switch. The monitor switch is always normal normal close. This terminal is at the top. The normal open is the primary. This one is the normal open. See? The normal close is at the top. Is at the top. And the normal open is at the bottom. But you will see NC for normally close and NO for normally open. But both of them will repair the same way. So I'm going to show you. Normal open. See? Normal open. This one. Problem. So I'm going to show you how to repair this one. Just get a bird beak pliers and open it. And take time open it if it's the first you're going to open it. So if it pulls apart, you will know how to put it back together. So the problem with this one, where the connection is right here, it's not connecting properly. Right, the heat that goes through it, let it get corroded. So you just pull off this one. I'll get like a fine sandpaper. See? A sandpaper. This is a 150 sandpaper. And the terminal, you just sand it down. And when you pull it, you will see that it's very black, it's burned. Rub it down. Also the one inside, you can bend the sandpaper. And also rub up the one inside. Both of them, then you connect it back. You test it. See? That is how easy it is to repair these switches. And also for the primary one, I'm going to show you both of them the same making. terminal just on different side. See? Same making. The terminal is just at the top for the normal close. Oh, that's how you repair a microwave interlock or monitor switch that is not working. Thank you.